Hello guys, so in this quick video, I'll be teaching you how to become a software engineer in 5 quick steps. Yes, so in this first step, I'm going to teach you how you can become a software engineer. So a lot of people have reached out to me regarding them learning software engineering and how they can get started. So this video is going to explain to you how to become a software engineer and how to get started. So the first thing you want to do if you want to become a software engineer is to make a plan. Yes, the plan actually entails what you're going to be doing in the process, the period of learning, the period of job application, and the entire process of your learning in the process or as a software engineer. Yes, you have to make a plan. You don't just jump into being a software engineer without coming with a plan. So what if this fail? What about this? Should I learn this or this? So you have to have a plan as a software engineer or as a person who is coming into the software engineering marketplace so that you can strive in the marketplace. So the number one step is to actually make a plan. Number two is to obtain an education or go through the process of learning. Yes, going through the process of learning is very, very critical and important. There is no software engineer that literally did not go through the process of engineering of learning. Sorry, there's no software engineer that didn't go through the process of learning. They all went through the same process. Like in Nigeria schools, you are literally not taught about coding, programming, and all that stuff. You're literally not taught about PHP in depth. You're literally not taught about these things. So you have to go through the process of learning, understand what you are doing, understand how it is run, understand which language or which engineering software you're going to be making use of, which tools and applications you're going to be making use of in the process. So taking and learning about it, taking an education, going through the process, taking courses and all that stuff, those are obtaining an education about software engineering. And now once you've gathered this education, you move to the third step, which is gaining experience. Now, it's not enough to just learn about software engineering, learn the kind of code, learn programming, learn PHP, Python, JavaScript, or whatever one you choose to do as a software engineer. It's not enough to just learn them. The next thing you have to do is to gain experience. Now, how can you gain experience? Is to work for free. That's the easiest way you can gain experience. Now, a lot of people like literally after learning, they just start looking for job here and there, and is although it's cool, it's not a bad thing, but it's more advisable if you gain experience by working for free for people. Yes, working for free for people. It gives you a larger will I say a larger opportunity to understand how these work processes go. If you want to stay in the freelancing market or you want to look for a job or you want to sit in a job and work under a company, then this working for people for free will literally give you more experience. Now, if you see some jobs banner out there, they'll be like with so and so time of experience. Now, working for free will give you a lot of experience to cover ground. Yes, if you are looking for a job after just learning, it will take a longer time to literally gather experience because not everyone is going to give you a job, and yet most people will require your experience or your experience level before they can even give you a job. But working for free for people will literally help you gather a great experience which you can use in any application, either as a freelancer or working for a company directly. Then the next step is to build your portfolio. Yes, build your portfolio. That is the next step. Now, after gaining this experience, this is why I actually emphasize on you work for free in building your experience. After gaining experience, you need to build your portfolio. Yes, your portfolio actually entails the number of people you have worked for using that particular skill you actually learned as a software engineer. So if it's PHP, how many projects have you done with PHP? How many projects have you done with React? How many projects have you done? So whatever engineering tools or equipment you choose, you have to build a portfolio with it, so that when someone wants to hire you and ask for your portfolio, you can have something to send to them. It still boils down to working for free. That will give you a better, that will make your portfolio bogus and large. Now, the last step after building your portfolio is to apply for jobs. Yes, apply for jobs. So now you have gone through the process of learning, you have gone through the process of building your portfolio, you have actually gained experience. The last thing is to start applying for job. So you can apply for job like from platform like Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, or whatever, whichever, or you can make use of LinkedIn, or you could yourself work as a freelancer and getting local business or start your own business. Now, as a software engineer, you can also work for bigger companies like Amazon, Microsoft, like Twitter, depending on which you choose. But some of these big companies is actually hard to enter. But if you get the opportunity to enter this big company, it's going to be great because their pay for software engineers are actually huge and good. So that's it, guys. That's the first step to literally become a software engineer. I hope you got this step. Please utilize this step if you want to become a software engineer, and then you will be one of the top software engineer in your field or in your workplace. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Hit the follow button or the subscribe button, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now, guys.